Let's look at how we can derive the quadratic formula. And now let's look at the steps that we have to take in order to derive the quadratic formula. So number one, you start with a standard quadratic equation. Then you get it and divide by a. Then you isolate the constant term, complete the square, factor the left side, then you simplify the right side, take the square root of both sides, and then you isolate x. So that x will represent the quadratic formula. Let's do it practically and see how it works or how it goes. So number one, we have said that you start with the standard quadratic equation. Now the standard quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0. This is the standard quadratic equation. Then we said that number 2, you divide by a. You divide both sides by a. So you divide every term by the leading coefficient, which is a. We want to make this coefficient of x to be equals to 1. That's why we divide by a. So you divide this by a, this by a, this by a, and this by a. So you end up having, this cancels with this. You have x squared plus b over a, x plus c over a being equals to 0. Now the third step is to isolate the constant term. So you move this constant term to the other side, to the right hand side, by subtracting both sides by c over a. So we shall have x squared plus b over a x plus c over a minus c over a being equals to 0 minus c over a. As you can see, this cancels with this. So we are left with x squared plus b over a x being equals to minus c over a. Now the next step after that is to complete the square. So we need to complete the square here. And now how do we complete the square? First, you take half of the coefficient of x, which is b over a. Take half of it. So this is like our side work. So you take the coefficient of x is b over a. Sorry, b over a. Then you take half of it, okay, which is equals to b over 2a. After doing that, you need to square the result. So you square this, which gives us b squared over, this squared is 4a squared. Now we need to add this value on both sides of the equation. So we shall have x squared plus b over a x, then plus this plus b squared over 4a squared being equals to minus c over a plus b squared over 4a squared. Now the next step here is to factor the left side. Okay, now the left side is now a perfect square trinomial and can be factored as a binomial squared. So this is x plus b over a squared. Okay, this left side here. So after factoring the left side, the next step is to simplify the right side. Now our right side, which is this will be equals to, now we need to get the common denominator, which in this case is 4a squared is a common denominator. So now 4a squared divided by a is 4a, then 4a times negative c is negative 4ac. Then 4a squared divided by 4a squared is 1. 1 times b squared, so we shall have plus b squared. So we can rearrange this to give us, so we shall have x plus b over a squared being equals to, this is the same as b squared minus 4ac over 4a squared. Now after that, the next step is to take the square root of both sides. So we need to take square root of both sides. Take square root this side and square root this side. This cancels with a square root. So this will give us x plus b over a being equals to, now here we shall have both positive and negative roots. So don't forget that. So we shall have both positive and negative. Let us distribute the root. So we shall have b squared minus 4ac over root of 4a squared. So this will be x plus b over a being equals to plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac over, now this square root of 4 is 2, square root of a squared is a. So this is what we have. Now the next step was to isolate x. We need to isolate x here. So we shall take this b minus a to this side. So we shall have x being equals to minus b. Sorry guys, I made a mistake somewhere. I'm so sorry. Here, I forgot. It was supposed to be right here. This, when we factor this is supposed to be 2a. Sorry, I'm so sorry. This is 2a, this is 2a, and this is 2a. So we take b over 2a this side, so we shall have minus b over 2a, then plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Therefore, x is equals to, find the LCM here, or the common denominator is 2a. 2a divided by 2a is 1. 1 times negative b is negative b. Plus or minus 2a divided by 2a is 1. 1 times this remains root of b squared minus 4ac. So as you can see, we have come up with the quadratic formula. X is equals to minus b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. This is the quadratic formula. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Like this video, comment and share. Kindly subscribe. It's a kind or a humble request. Thank you so much. Let's meet in the next video.